Hi there, today we'll be unboxing and review an ARGB fan from Tecware. This is the Tecware Orbis F1. It's an entry-level yet budget ARGB fan that you can get for sub RM 100 ringgit. I got this for RM 77 ringgit or 79 ringgit from 1111 sales. Come with 3 fans, 1 controller and a RF remote. So delay no more, let's head to unboxings and review. It's a 120mm fan with up to 1500 RPM fan speed and 26.5 decibel sound level. Let's open it up. First is the RF remote, a Velcro tips, ARGB controllers, some screws, and 3 fans. This is a 9-blade fan with RGB lights from the center out. Installation is pretty simple. Make sure you identify where the air inlet and outlet of the fan before you mount it onto your PC case. The case I'm installing is the Tecware as well, the Nexus M black on black. The ARGB controller can support up to 10 ARGB fans or LED strips. It can be controlled from the main controller itself or the RF remote. This is where you connect your motherboard ARGB if it's supported. Due to space constraint on this PC case, I will need to stick the controller above the drive bay. Normally they will install it on the rear of the back casing. Here is how the Tecware Orbis F1 ARGB in action. With RM 79 ringgit, you get to control the fan speed when required and spice up your modes by adjusting the RGB. Importantly, it adds some handsomeness on your rig. So here are 2 things that I like and dislike about the Tecware Orbis F1. Firstly, it has a friendly budget with bang sound aesthetics. Secondly, it supports ARGBs and can connect up to 10 fans. So here are 2 things that I dislike about the Tecware Orbis F1. Firstly is the remote control. Why on earth they would choose white color instead of black? Everything goes well and better in black color in my humble opinions. Secondly, despite it support up to 10 fans, but Tecware Malaysia doesn't sell the fans separately. You have to purchase another set in order to have more fan to install on one PC. So what do you think about the Orbis F1? Do leave a comment down below. We do a lot of how-tos, tech unboxings and reviews on this channel. Do consider subscribe to these channels and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. My name is Joshua Wong. See you guys in the next one.